Now, if you love shopping at Dollar General, you are going to absolutely love their newest concept store, PopShelf. I've got DIYs, home decor, and all kinds of great things, all from PopShelf for you today. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. Now, whenever I walk into a PopShelf, I immediately am drawn to the left side of the store because that is where all of the home decor pieces are. Knickknacks, those are my things, and I'm telling you, PopShelf has a huge assortment of fantastic items. Not only are they gorgeous items that are definitely seasonal, but they're also just gorgeous items that you can use year round. They have a nice variety of a lot of different things. Now, what's so cool about those seasonal pieces, especially right now when we're talking about summer and entertaining, they have some amazing serving pieces that are fantastic for summer barbecues or parties. And they also have some really fun planters. And speaking of plants, they also have an amazing selection of faux plants and flowers. I'm telling you, a lot of these faux plants and flowers rival things that you would see at like Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and they're definitely less expensive than what you would buy them for there. Now, when I was looking around, there were some great serving pieces, there were some great just knick-knack decor stuff. There were these beautiful glass candlesticks. I was looking for them in the color blue, but unfortunately I did not find those. However, I did find something that is going to be a perfect complement to my bar, not only for the summer, but I will use this all year round. And it is this absolutely gorgeous kind of confetti glass pitcher. Now, if you are familiar with confetti glass, then you know that these are very expensive, and you can get these in a lot of very high-end boutiques. Now, what I loved about this right away is that it is handcrafted in Mexico. This is fantastic for drinks, for cocktails, for iced tea, for lemonade, for margaritas, and I really fell in love with this. Now, this was $18. And if you know how much this confetti glass typically goes for, you know that that's an incredible deal. Now, they did have matching margarita glasses to go with this. However, I wanted something that was a little more versatile, a little more drink versatility, we'll say. And I found these confetti glasses that actually match the pitcher, and these were only $6 a piece. Now, what I loved about these right away is, of course, that I'm going to get a matching set with everything. And so I ended up buying 4 glasses to have with my pitcher, and I'm probably going to go back and get 2 more, to be quite honest. But I'm thinking that with this plus that pitcher, we're going to have some fun parties this summer. And again, even if I drink lemonade or iced tea or margaritas, it's going to be in a festive vessel. And that's what's important, right? Whenever you're shopping at a PopShelf, you always want to check out the end caps. The end caps are where you're going to find some of the coolest things. And I was able to find something that I'm actually really excited about. Now, if you've been watching Sarah Jane from Chic on the Cheap, you know that she has been making all kinds of fantastic candles. And this candle making sets that I found at PopShelf are absolutely incredible. Not only can you find things like these wax pieces, but you can also get dyes where you can change the color of the wax. You've got scents that you can infuse into your wax, and you've got candle wicks as well. One-stop shop, again, all at PopShelf, and I can make some amazing DIY candles for myself. They've also got DIY soap making kits and bath bombs and all kinds of really fun things that I think would be ideal Christmas gifts. Now, when I was searching around in the home decor section, there was this metal piece that I did find that I put back. As soon as I found this candle making kit, I immediately went back and grabbed this guy because I thought this could be an absolutely perfect candle for my coffee table. This is metal, and I am going to put my candle in this for my coffee table. And because blue and navy is my color scheme that's in my living room, you know I'm going to be adding some of this navy coloring into it to make the perfect blue candle inside of this gorgeous copper vessel for my coffee table. Now, when I was digging through the planters, I found some really fantastic ones. These face planters are really, really popular right now, but I found this really cute starburst planter, and I thought that this could be absolutely perfect for my front porch. I love this kind of, I don't even know what to call this like spiky thing. And I wasn't crazy about the color though. However, we know that there is a thing called spray paint, and spray paint is one of my favorite things. This was such an easy DIY. I took this great planter that was already perfect and was only $5, by the way, and just simply spray painted it my favorite midnight navy blue, and now it looks absolutely fantastic on my front porch. And how easy was that for a DIY? Seasonal, seasonal, seasonal. If you love seasonal items like planters or stools or outdoor signs, you are going to love going to a PopShelf. I was able to grab this set of planters and it was only $15. And there are 3 pieces here. Now, they are a little wonky to get out of here, I will tell you that. And I almost did not buy them because of that. However, I figured out a system. You've got to kind of shimmy, shimmy, shimmy it around in order for them to come out. But once they do come out, you're going to have a very, very cool setup. I was able to get these out in the store, so I don't know why I'm not able to get them out now. But trust me, they're really cute. I told you I would get them apart. And again, these are fantastic because they've got this plastic liner already built into them, and they were only $5 a piece. And I think they look absolutely incredible on the front steps of my porch. Whenever I'm in PopShelf, I always love to go and check out the condiments. I know that's crazy to say, but they always have some really different condiments, or condiments that I've not been able to find. For example, this Paradise Pineapple Teriyaki Sauce. This is amazing. I have had this sauce before. I've not been able to find it in stores for quite a while. And when I went to PopShelf, it was sitting on the shelf there waiting for me. And I have to say, if you can cook a pork loin or chicken wings or anything like that on the grill, this is going to be a life changer, especially if you like teriyaki and you like pineapple. Trust me, this is a yummy. PopShelf also has a very cool home organization center and kind of cleaning area. What's so cool about PopShelf is that they've got almost all of the same kind of storage containers and different things that you'd be looking for at places like Dollar Tree or Target or Walmart, but they're actually a lot cheaper. Also, you know those like universal kind of broom mop kind of things that you can find at Dollar Tree right now? Guess what? PopShelf has them, and they're only $1 for each one. So you're certainly saving a little bit of money, especially if you're going to buy more than one rod or more than one mop head or a broom head or kind of a combination of them. Also, what's really cool is that they have things like this. This little house is a tissue box, and I thought that it was absolutely adorable the moment that I saw this. Now, I also needed some tissues to go with this, and sitting right next to it, perfectly merchandised, was a box of tissues that I'm going to be able to use this in my bathroom and pull the tissues right out through the chimney. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this white might be a little boring for me, so I think I may go with one of my favorite colors, of course, navy blue, and it will complement my bathroom perfectly. I was freaked out when I found this. I could not believe how fun this was. This was actually in the section where the faux plants and stuff were, and I don't know what drew me to it, but I picked it up. This is a DIY A-frame birdhouse kit. Now, there are no tools required for this. This is all done with cardboard, but the cardboard actually has a wax coating to prevent it from rotting away in the weather. How cool is that? It was only $4, and I think that this could be an absolutely amazing project to do with kids. I'm personally going to be assembling this and putting it in my oak tree out front because I feel like this would be the perfect home for all of the birds that I've got visiting my house this summer. The last thing I'm going to tell you about PopShelf is the amazing craft section. Now, if you are looking for very detailed kind of random items, then it's probably not the best selection of stuff. However, if you are looking for embellishments, if you're looking for paints, if you're looking for canvas, if you're looking for some raw wood or unfinished wood items, then I do recommend that you check out PopShelf. Now, immediately, I found several things in the craft section that I wanted to grab. For example, I found these MDF wood circles. Now, I grabbed 4 of them. Not sure what I want to do with them, but they're the perfect size for all kinds of DIYs. You could do a tiered little candle stand with them. You could certainly use them as is and paint on them. There's a lot of different things that you can do with these, and they're only $1 each. Not $1.25, but $1 each. And those right there are definitely worth it because I've not seen any kind of circles that size at Dollar Tree. And I think that those would be really, really fun to DIY with. Now, speaking of other DIY ideas, there are some great picture frames that you can also pick up from PopShelf that are all unfinished wood that allows you to kind of customize all of these different frames. This particular one I thought was really, really interesting because I loved the size of it. I loved the shape in the middle for a picture. But then I also found some really cool stencils that they had at PopShelf. And I thought that this particular stencil was perfect because it gives you a couple different options here to use. But also I was thinking, what if you just overlaid that on top or even did it at an angle and maybe did like a black or a navy and did that fill in around that picture frame, did it kind of abstract. I think this could be a very easy and very gorgeous DIY, and I'm absolutely in love with the way that this particular one turned out. It's going to be the perfect centerpiece on my photo kind of kiosk that I have in the hallway. Now, the other stencil that I grabbed, which I thought was super, super cute, was this bacon and eggs. You can see that it comes with 2 different stencils here, and one says bacon, one says eggs. How cute would they be for a country kitchen or a farmhouse kitchen? You could do 2 different colors like you see here. Again, this was something that I wanted to grab for my craft stash, and I think I'm going to be using the bacon one very, very soon, because who doesn't love bacon? I love bacon. Bacon! I'm like that dog on that commercial, bacon stirs. Bacon! That's definitely me whenever bacon's cooking. All right, everyone, that is my PopShelf haul and DIY video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which items were your favorite. Also, let me know if you have a PopShelf store near you and if you are planning on visiting it. If you're one of my long-term subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here. You know I appreciate you so, so much. And I'm looking forward to bringing you more content very, very soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.